Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council pays tribute to Khorsing Terang on his 70th anniversary. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council on Thursday observed the 70th anniversary of Khorsing Terang, its first chief executive member. The ceremony began with the garlanding of Terang statue at the Memorial Park near KAAC Stadium and the new Memorial Park near the residence of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Ram Ronghang. The event featured interfaith prayers from leaders of various religions including Christian, Sikh, Hindu, Islam, Karbi traditional belief, Lokhiman Sek and Karbi Bhaktitom Trust, who read from their holy scriptures and offered prayers for Terang's soul. Padma Shri Dhaneswar Inti also recited a poem in commemoration of Terang. Khorsing Terang was born in 1906 in a small hamlet of Ronglongchon near Boterang Langso stream at the foothill of Inglongpok, which is around 39 kilometers from the district headquarters, Difu. He studied in Golaghat till class 6 but had to abandon his studies due to some problem within the family. In 1937, he entered into the political arena and was elected as the member of Legislative Council from the Mikir Hills Tracts constituency, which was formed under the colonial government. He raised the issue of forming a separate administrative setup for Karbi people living in Mikir Hills Tract, Nogao and Golaghat district along with colleagues namely Samson Singh Inti, Song Be, Muniram Langne, David Longihi and others. He, along with Samson Singh Inti and others nominated members of the Bordoloi subcommittee, played a significant role in the formation of then Mikir Hills district and the Mikir Hills Autonomous Council under the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India. He was one of the main architects of present-day Karbi Anglong district and also laid the basic foundation for the administration of the Autonomous Council. Terang passed away in 1955, leaving behind a legacy of achievements, including the formation of Karbi Anglong district in 1951. He represented the Karbi people as an MLC in the Assam Legislative Council during pre-independence Assam and was re-elected as an MLA in the first Assam Assembly election in 1951. Speaking at the program, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chief Executive Member Ram Ronghang praised Khorsing Terang as a visionary leader who made significant contribution to Karbi Anglong district. CM Ronghang stated that Terang's leadership and his unity-driven approach is an inspiration for all to follow. CM Ronghang said, unlike the past, there is now opposition within the society regarding the demand for an autonomous state. Our blood is one in struggle. Although Karbi stood together in the past, unfortunately, we now see opposition even in events like the free land pata distribution. Some have opposed the Pothimia Kemang initiative despite our differences in religion and politics. We have distributed the land pata and we must come together, Ronghang urged. Some individuals have termed the land patas distributed by the council as fake land documents. CM Ronghang prayed to let Khorsing Terang to bring unity to the community, overcoming the current disunity. Karbi Anglong faced several unresolved issues, including border dispute and the pursuit of autonomy. CM Ronghang expressed hope that by working together, the community can achieve the dreams that Khorsing Terang envisioned but could not fulfill. The event was attended by MLAs Bidya Singh Ingleng, Dorsing Ronghang, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, Chairman Raju Tiso, EM Senemesis. News Desk Report, Northeast Karbi Live.